Slick here in the Slickmobile. Headed off to go camping with the Enduro bike, going to do some trail rides. Let me formally introduce you to my dog and fiance, Sky and Megan. How's that?
Hi.
All right, who wants our toy? Who wants it? You want it? All right. You gonna show the people what you do? All right, that's gotta get edited out. Back up. All right, that was terrible. My balance sucks. All right, you gonna get it? Come on. Show them what you do. Show them what you do. Look at my girl. She's a swimmer. Let me show you where she headed, people. Up the river. Come on. Come on. Oh, with my balance, I shouldn't be doing this. Come on. Come on, mama. Come on, girl. You can do it. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, Skybird. There you go. Don't drink the water. Just swim in it. All right, you ready? You ready? I know it's a lot of pollen out here in the air. I'm choking on it too. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Get it, girl. Get it.
You mind holding them?
Good girl, mama. Good girl.
It's already broken.
Good girl, mama. Good girl, mama. Bring it here. Up, Dan's on your mini bike. All right, go get it. Go get it, Sky. Good girl, mama. Hey, look up. Good girl, mama. Good girl, mama. Come on, bring it here. Good girl. Okay, take a break. Let me show you the camp setup. It's day 2. It wouldn't be camping with me without raining. What's up, mama girl? You stay in your bed. Stay in your bed. It's raining. There's the infamous mini bike I crashed on last night. Me and my buddy got real drunk, went out at like 1 o'clock in the morning on the mini bike and golf cart. And I was doing like 18 miles an hour and wrecked in the sand. In the sand. Swelled up my hand pretty good. There she is. Now I might not be able to twist the throttle on the big bike, so that's a bummer. Figure I'll take the dog paddle boarding today. She loves the water.
Get out of the way. Yeah. Did you feel slow?
Sky, where are we going? Going back? Hey, look. Look at me. What do you think? You're ET? You think this says ET? ET phone home? Sky phone home? Yeah. Let's go back to the camper. Cook up some dinner. Hopefully Daddy's hand will stop the swelling. I can't really grip anything, but hopefully the swelling will go down and I can do some trail riding tomorrow on the big bike. What a bad decision that was last night. Oh, drunk.
Yeah, your knee is.
Yeah, look at my knee. All scraped up. A little bit. We're in the water, so it doesn't matter. This is the people that we're camping with. The RVing swingers from Pennsylvania. It's Dan and Christine and their 3 dogs. They're out taking a walk right now. But that's them. A 1977 Sunline camper that they restored inside. It's really nice. Hang on 1 second.
Why are you saying hi?
Just because they haven't been on film yet.
Cheers.
Oh, and you're recording.
Empty Corona.
Oh, Dan.
That way when I show the camper, I can put them faces to it. Christine is the head nurse.
Right.
And what were you again?
I don't even know what I am.
Yeah, I forget.
Nobody knows what I am.
Knock off your barking. It's raining. Stop barking. Okay, people, don't mind the mess. I'll give you a quick tour, walkthrough of the 2020 Grey Wolf 22 RR toy hauler. So here she is, got the kitchen. This is the full dinette where I put the bikes and the golf cart. The couches fold up either side, put the table away. Yeah, it's got a microwave, little oven, gas burner top, country sink, don't mind the dishes. Nice pantry. It's got the 120 volt refrigerator, and it also runs off of 12 volt battery. I have a solar panel on the roof that will run this refrigerator. Alright, let me take you into it's got AC and heat, full digital thermostat. It's ducted AC, ducted heat. Here's the bathroom. Full stand-up shower. I actually fit in the shower. I'm 6'3", so this is the best shower I ever had in an RV. My head fits up in the skylight, so that works out good. It's pretty roomy in here. Full toilet. Nice size space for hygiene products. Vent fan for pooping. Let me take you into the master bedroom. All the blinds are easy ups, easy downs. And here's the master bedroom where all the magic happens. Don't mind the mess. But that's it. Full tour. Got your control panel here that runs everything, all your lights, your awning, water pump for when you're boondocking, got your water heater. That's that. That also folds into a full queen size bed for when you have guests. Stay out. Go get it. Bring it here, girl. Come on. Drop it. Drop it. Going uphill. Let's do it. No problem. Okay, let's see how this plays out. It's probably not the smartest thing I've ever done, considering I sprained my hand and I got a bad ankle. But let's try it anyway.